Did you know that a single kidnapping case created the FBI as we know it today? In 1933, oil tycoon Charles Urschel was playing bridge when Machine Gun Kelly's gang burst in and took him. They demanded $200,000. That's $4 million in today's money. But Urschel was brilliant. During his captivity, he memorized everything. The taste of well water, airplane sounds overhead. Even the time planes flew by each day. When the FBI got these clues, they mapped flight patterns and traced the water source. It led them straight to a Texas ranch where Kelly was hiding. The dramatic arrest made headlines. Kelly allegedly shouted, "Don't shoot, G-men!" coining the famous term for federal agents. This case changed everything. It made kidnappings across state lines a federal crime and launched J. Edgar Hoover's FBI into national fame. One criminal's mistake didn't just solve a case. It created America's most powerful law enforcement agency, all because a victim was smart enough to listen, remember, and help catch his own kidnappers.